All right, now let's discuss about IAM. AWS IAM, that is Identity and Access Management, is a service provided by Amazon Web Services that allows you to manage user access to your AWS resources. So it will help you organize your users, roles, and attach some policies. For example, if you want a user to only access a particular resource, you can assign a policy, certain policy to that user, and so that user will be able to access only that particular resource. Okay, so those things you can do under IAM. In simple terms, it allows you to create and manage users and groups and control what resources they can access and what actions they can perform on those resources. With IAM, you can also set up security policies and permissions that determine who can access your resources under what conditions. So, this allows you to grant or restrict access to specific AWS resources such as S3 buckets, EC2 instances, and more. IAM is important for securing your AWS environment and ensuring that only authorized users have access to your resources.